So life has been a little bit busy here at the Dewey household, and I'm not anticipating that that is slowing down anytime soon. But for me personally, it's time that I do a little healthy lifestyle reset. So here are the things that I do when I know it's time for me personally to take a healthy lifestyle reset, because in the end, this helps me in all aspects of my life, including my business as well. If we haven't met before, my name is Michele and I'm an online business manager, and I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. So I'm going to just take you inside how I actually am going to set up and track how my healthy lifestyle reset. So this is one of the things that I do anytime I feel called. For the most part, I'm pretty on track with things, but when I'm busy or in a hurry and I'm not given the time to actually get my meals prepped and planned and everything like that, I get completely off track. So to help me avoid that for this upcoming month, I'm actually going to plan everything out this week or today, right now, and I'm going to do it using Notion because that's what I generally use for all of my different planning, squirreling away my information, my checklist, everything. I have found that I absolutely love Notion, and I'm putting pretty much everything in there that I need. So let's go ahead and head over there. Okay, so here I go. So the first thing that I'm working on as I'm in my Notion board is my actually, you know, what's the driver behind this? And so I'm creating a little healthy lifestyle vision board so that I can see that right away when I first come in. I'm just going through each one of these and creating or finding an image. So one of the first things that, when I think about living a healthy lifestyle and what's going to allow me to keep doing what I'm doing, I always think about being strong, like having a strong body. So I'm just on Splash right now just to find some different pictures of what that would mean. So here's a perfect one. I think that that looks strong. So I'm going to add that right in here. And then I have a couple other, I'm going to do 4 more of these. So I'm just going to go in and actually find another, like, what's driving me. Why do I want to have my healthy, or circle back to my healthy lifestyle? Yeah, I think I say in every single one of these videos, words are hard. So the next one I have is movement or walking. And essentially, that's taking our dogs for a walk. So I want to find an image with walking in it. That one will work. So now I have 2, and I'm basically pulling it from right down here in what my actual daily tracker is of the things that I want to make sure I'm incorporating into my healthy lifestyle daily routine so that I can have it all just in one little area, and I can go through and check off if I've done it or not, and then I know whether it's not. So I do have movement as actually walks per day. And then the next one is going to eat my veggies, because I am actually pretty good at fruits, but I'm not quite as good at eating my veggies. Well, I'll use a carrot this time. Mhm. And it's a matter of picking a picture. And I do think I like that one the best. It looks the prettiest to me. Okay, so I have um, pictures to match what my daily tracker is. Now, I just wanted to touch on my daily tracker because one of the things that I do in my business, as well as what I try to do for my different lifestyle as well, is actually implementing like a good, better, best. So in each one of these, if I go in for these reduced processed sugar, not that I'm terrible at this because it's not like I eat a ton of treats, but I kind of go in streaks. Like I eat a ton of baked goods or I don't. Although I just did an NLP session on not eating cake, so I'm doing them, knocking them out one at a time. But I put in here that my goal then for a week would be like a good goal would be I would only have 2 treats, and a better goal would be 1 treat, and a best goal would be that I'd have no treats. And I did that for each one of these. So like my good, better, best, and my good goal is 1 walk a day. My best goal is 2 walks a day, or my better goal is 2 walks a day, and my best goal is 3 walks a day. So I mean that's just personally for me what I want to make sure that I'm bringing to the forefront and focus, because I just like need to have a little bit of a reset. So I have all these different ones. And then for my strength training, generally the weekends we're running around. So I found it's best to just not even discourage myself if I'm not able to get it in. So I just always aim to work out Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. And for the most part, I do. Every once in a while, I'm not able to if I'm gone or have things going on. But these are my goals. So 5, 4, 3. So then I'm able to actually go ahead and track these every single week, whether I'm not doing it, whether I'm doing it, excuse me. I drink 4 quarts of water. Right now I'm very, very like 2 quarts of water generally gone right away in the morning. But then I would like to be at 4 because I've done that for quite a long time, and then I've kind of scaled back a little bit. So I want to bring that back up again. And the other items that I have in here right now for my board so that I have things quick and easy is I found these fun little meal prep ideas, which would be things that I want to do with Feeling Fabulous with Kayla. So I have added these in here so I can make sure when I'm going through and making my shopping list to buy things that I'm just coming here and picking the different things that are on the recipe. And I did like for this one because I am totally a habit person, or if I make one meal and I like it, then I'll just eat it all week. And that's exactly what this is. It's just the same meal all week long, which is perfect for me. And then I have this one as well. But then I'm starting my list of recipes here as well. And I do have a collection of recipes and meal prep. So they're in a separate tab, but I do have them inside my Notion board as well. So that is essentially like all the different things that I'm starting to try and keep track of. I'm probably going to look and find a quote. I should just put that in here right now while I am talking about it. So I'm going to go out and find a quote so I can add that in here. And then just any little words of encouragement that I'm finding that I want to actually put on this board. Just anything that's going to just make me want to stick to getting back into that healthy lifestyle, and reminding myself like these are just little triggers and reminders of the things that I want to actually do in order to bring back a few of those healthy habits that I've let slide over the last month because I've been so busy. And when I'm busy, like that's the first thing that seems to go out the window is some of those healthy habits that I have in place all the time. I'm not 100% sure why, but yeah, they are the first ones. So anyways, that is what I have going on for my healthy lifestyle here and the different things that I'm adding in so that I can visually see and know what I'm doing to actually achieve my goal. So, this is my goal for the upcoming month to focus on. Sometimes I do more of a business one, but this time I've decided that I really need to spotlight this particular thing in order for me to have more of the energy that I need to have in my business. So, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I appreciate you.